Have you ever sat through a 45-minute interview and wished you could instantly snap out the 2 minutes that actually matter? Maybe you have spent hours manually cutting clips from a long live stream just to find one viral moment for TikTok. Content creation is great until you realize most of your time is spent in the weeds of editing instead of actually creating. That is exactly where smart editing steps in to automatically find the good stuff and turn it into ready-to-post short video content. Think of it like having a personal editor who already knows what is likely to go viral before you even finish filming. Let us break down why long-form videos are absolute gold mines for your strategy. Interviews, webinars, and podcast episodes hide punchy moments and emotional beats that your audience is dying to see. But if you do not slice those out quickly and push them to social media, that precious attention window just disappears. This is where Vizard changes the game entirely for modern creators. Instead of leaving you with one massive file, the system parses the whole thing to find the most shareable clips for your brand. It automatically formats them for each specific platform and gets them queued up for release. It is not just basic transcription or fancy trimming, but real structure and strategy for your entire content stack. Imagine you upload a 60-minute sit-down interview. Without smart tools, you get one long video and a massive, exhausting to-do list. But with Vizard, you get a handful of ready-to-post short clips labeled by theme and mood. Whether it is a hot take, a funny reaction, or a helpful tip, each clip is already cropped to the right ratio. With auto captions and a thumbnail suggestion, that is the difference between producing content once and actually scaling it. Why does this matter in the real world? Because creators, brands, and social teams simply do not have infinite editing bandwidth. Solo creators who want to post multiple times a week can now turn one long video into a week's worth of content. Agencies managing multiple clients can batch process episodes and send out a content calendar for approval in record time. Educators can repurpose lectures into micro lessons that students will actually watch. Even product teams can pull customer testimonials into short, platform-optimized ads. In short, you get more content with significantly less time. So how does the engine actually do it? The engine looks for engagement signals inside the footage, like peaks in audio energy, laughter, or emotional words. It ranks potential clips based on the likelihood of going viral and renders them into multiple formats. You can tweak the tone or target platform, and Vizard handles the aspect ratio conversions automatically. It even ensures safe zone adjustments so no heads get cut off. Do not confuse this with simple template-based trimming that feels robotic. Vizard's model is trained on patterns that actually perform, like pacing, caption timing, and contextual relevance. That is what makes the clips feel native to each platform instead of looking like an awkward repost. Still skeptical? Let me guide you through a quick demo so you see how painless this process really is. From your dashboard, hit Upload and drop your long video file. Click Auto Edit and watch it analyze the audio and visuals in real time. In a few minutes, it surfaces a list of short clips with preview thumbnails and suggested captions. You can preview a clip, tweak the timing, and then choose to schedule it. Click Auto Schedule, pick your frequency, and the AI cues the content into your calendar. You can push directly to socials or export files with minimal clicks. Now let us talk about the real cost of not using a tool like this. Manual editing is slow, inconsistent, and prone to human bias. Poorly optimized clips can hurt your reach and tank engagement numbers. For teams, this adds up to missed windows and wasted ad spend. Vizard reduces that risk by systematizing your clip selection and distribution. You will hear people mention other tools, but none hit the full stack the same way. Some are great for basic transcription, but they are not built to pick out viral moments and format them for every platform. Other toolkits are powerful, but require engineering time and heavy infrastructure. If you want an outcome, click, clips, post. Those kits are simply not the fastest route. There are also consumer editors that chop by silence, but they often miss the nuance. They can be flashy, but the clips rarely feel platform native. That is where Vizard lands. It is not just about automation, it is automation with taste. The platform is designed so creators do not have to be experts to produce high-performing content. It is tuned for speed without sacrificing the small stylistic choices that make a video scroll stopping. Other practical things to know. Batching is incredibly easy. Team collaboration is built in so managers and leads can review clips inside the calendar. And yes, captions are automatic and fully editable. Let us be honest about limitations. No tool is perfect. If your source material is low quality, any auto system will struggle to find those emotional cues. Creative judgment still matters when you want a very specific angle or message, but compared to starting from zero, Vizard cuts that work down from hours to mere minutes. Pricing is another angle to consider. Vizard aims to be cost-efficient with predictable pricing so you can plan your strategy without fear. So how do you try it? Sign up for an account and watch the dashboard do the heavy lifting for you. Links are in the description so you can jump straight in. If you are serious about building a content presence without burning out, it is worth giving Vizard a go. It is not a magic wand, but it handles the repetitive heavy lifting. Thanks for hanging out with us today. If you want more deep dives into content tools, check out the rest of the channel and consider subscribing. Real creators do not just post, they systemize, iterate, and post smarter. Vizard helps you do that without turning every week into a production marathon.